If you're on the thinner side and looking to build muscle quickly, you're certainly not alone. Many people face the challenge of being underweight and are eager to find effective ways to gain muscle mass. The solution lies in muscle building. Whether your goal is to enter the world of bodybuilding or simply to look better in your clothes, the journey starts with a first step. Building muscle is just the beginning of this journey. We will explore various strategies to help you rapidly increase your muscle mass, so keep watching for tips on how to add as much muscle as possible each week. Eat foods that build muscle. The most important step in gaining muscle is your diet. You need to eat lots of protein, as these are the main building blocks of muscle. Carbohydrates are also essential as they give you the energy you need for your workouts and daily activities. If you don't eat enough carbs, your body might start using muscle for energy, which is counterproductive. Include foods like rice, oats, nuts, chicken, turkey, eggs, fish, pasta, and steak in your diet. Increase muscle building. Your body stores protein, which is necessary for muscle growth. However, it also uses protein for other essential functions, such as making hormones. This means there is less protein available for building muscle. To combat this, you need to create and store new proteins at a faster rate than your body breaks down old proteins. Eat more frequently. When trying to gain muscle weight, it's crucial to ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Eating just 3 times a day might not be sufficient. Start with a substantial breakfast, then have a snack 2 hours later. Aim to eat something nutritious every 3 hours to support your body in building muscle. Focus on compound exercises. Instead of using complex machines or doing intricate abs exercises, focus on compound exercises, especially at the start. These exercises work out multiple muscle groups simultaneously and are more effective for overall muscle building. Engage in exercises like squats, bench presses, deadlifts, dips, pull-ups, bent over rows, and military presses. These exercises challenge a large portion of your body's muscles. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of each exercise, doing 8 to 12 repetitions per set, with about 1 minute of rest between sets. Pre-workout shake. Drinking a shake that's rich in essential amino acids and carbohydrates before your workout can significantly benefit muscle growth. Since exercising increases blood flow to your muscles, drinking a carbohydrate and protein mixture beforehand can lead to better absorption of amino acids in your muscles. Protein shakes are particularly beneficial before workouts, as they're quickly absorbed. A shake containing 10 to 20 grams of protein is ideal. Lift weights. Every other day. After doing a full body workout, it's important to take a day off to rest. Research indicates that challenging weight exercises can increase protein synthesis in your muscles for up to 48 hours after your workout. Remember, muscles grow during rest periods, not while you are working out.